Start your journey to a more organized cleaning experience with the 544 Undersink Cleaning Caddy by Rev-A-Shelf. With its smooth pull-out design, you can easily access all of your supplies. Fast, efficient, and always within reach. Need to clean another room? No problem. This Undersink Cleaning Caddy is fully portable, allowing you to take it anywhere in your home. Talk about a professional setup. The 544 has polymer shelves, a chrome-plated wire frame, and bottom bumpers to protect countertop surfaces. Installation is a snap. Just set on the cabinet floor and mount. The 544 is designed for 30-inch or larger sink-based cabinets, and its reversible design allows it to fit around various plumbing fixtures. Step up your cleaning game with the 544 Undersink Cleaning Caddy by Rev-A-Shelf and enjoy a clutter-free space for years to come.